In this video, I will show you how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile with ChatGPT. So we can ask ChatGPT how to actually do this. So I can say, how can I make my LinkedIn profile the best it can possibly be for a potential employer? Can you give me example on my profile layout? And then it will give us some tip on how each part of profile should be laid out, and we can ask it expand on those things. So I could say, hey, here is my background and skills, and I just type what skills are, and then like, could you write me a description? So it's just spitting out. So it's giving us 1 to 10 list. Now I could say, my name is Korean and I am a content creator professionally looking for people to connect with on my profession journey. Can you write a LinkedIn description and a headline for my profile? Great. So it's giving me description and it's just spitting out the text right here. And okay, it's pretty big. The headline even got little bar data visualization. Okay, so now I could be like, can you give me more suggestions? And it will just spit that out too. And you can say, hey, here's one, and could you give me like 3 options so I can pick which one is best? So in this way, you can optimize your LinkedIn profile with ChatGPT. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye.